welcome back. So, I wanted to talk about gearing on, gearing regarding Vanquish VFDs and their straight axles. So, I already did a lot of the math off camera. Actually, all the math off camera. So, this set here, this is I used the gears important for getting the overdrive percentage, getting the overdrive percentage calculated. So this is the top gear in the transfer case. This is your rear output gear, then there's an idler, and then it goes to your front output gear. On the stock 6% transmission, you get a 32 and a 30. In the carbon kit transmission, or if you bought the overdrive gear set, I think it's like 20% or 21% or something like that. It is. It says it here. So this is the transmission overdrive is 21%. So with the 21% transmission gears, you get a 26 tooth gear to output to the front axle. I only did the math for straight axles. I didn't do the portable axle stuff. So the rear ratio is 1.39, the front ratio is 1.30, and the 6% transmission. Now I went ahead and did the math with both the underdrive gear set, standard, and the SSD overdrive ring and pinion set. So the overdrive ring and pinion set is 3.375, standard is 3.75, and the underdrive is 4.125. Now you're going to take both your ratios, so you get your rear output ratio and your rear axle ratio, and now your ratio is 5.73. And then you're going to take your front ratio, which is 1.30, and you multiply that by I skipped the standard front output percentage. That's my fault. So, why did I do that? I don't know. Huh. That's a bummer. I want to say it's around like 15%-ish, 16% for the standard ring and pinion in the front, and a rear with underdrive gears. But anyway, my goal was to see with what gears, what percentage you can get. So, rear underdrive, front overdrive, plus the 6% gears in the transmission, you get 23%. Okay? Because I took the difference between the two numbers, and you basically do the calculation, what is this number a percent of your highest number, and that was 23%. The front overdrive, rear underdrive, plus the 21% gears ended up being 33%. And the rear underdrive, standard front, and 21% gears ended up being 26%. So to get 33% overdrive with straight axles, you'll need underdrive in the rear, overdrive in the front, and then 21% gear set for the VFD. So, this brings me the question. Should I just build that rear axle? Nah. I mean, I got standard front. My current situation, if I just built the rear axle, I would only get 21%. I don't know. See, now I'm kind of second guessing myself. Because I'm only going to get 26% from underdrive rear, standard front. think we're going to go with the carbon kit trans and the stubby kit. And underdrive rear. And we'll only see about 26%. I don't think I'm going to... I'll drive it with 26% and see. Because the more overdrive you put in the thing, the less they tend to like to side hill. And I don't like just going for breakovers. So we're going to run the 26% and see. Man, talk about a short vid. It's nice having manuals on hand to look at. Let's look at, let's see what gearing I'm going to need. So, yeah. So if we switch, say I do end up wanting to run the 33%. No, I think we'll be all right. I'll have to do some more math on that. So like total final ratio, when the time comes, I'll do some more math. If we do end up going with the 3.375 front, we may have to run a 11 tooth or a 9 tooth. Probably just an 11 tooth, because I want to put a 9 tooth in there, or not a 9 tooth. I want to put a 12 tooth with the 56 tooth spur. 1800 kV on 3S. Keep the thing somewhat tame. For what I'm doing, it doesn't need to go super fast. I mean, it's going to have grip, so. All right. you like this content, the informative stuff, hit that like and subscribe. Definitely got some more coming. We're gonna have some fun with this one. I'm testing different drive percentages and seeing what we like. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.